Black-winged stilt, commonly found along the banks of Indian subcontinent, its black wings and white underpart present a striking visual contrast. Come summer, and stilts may begin pairing off to establish a more permanent bond. The pair may hunt together and follow each other with continuous picking. As their legs are 60% of the total body length, proportionally, they are the longest legged of the waders family. A naturally selected species, few other waders have managed to exploit the eco-niches as successfully as them. The stilt's legs dangle gracefully under its body in flight. Interestingly, the bird lowers or raises them as the need arises, using them to adjust its airspeed and also as a rudder. They are fairly territorial, especially when defending the area around their nests, and can feign grievous injury when their young ones are threatened. As their habitats are getting seriously damaged and encroached upon due to pollution and urbanization, a species once so abundant, today their existence is under threat due to humans.